Hello, I'm here in another service call. The customer said this refrigerator it doesn't cooling very well. When I get there, I find the problem. The problem was with the drain line was clogged up, and that is the problem because when it's on the first cycle, the water it doesn't drain through the drain line. It's dripping in front of the refrigerator, and that is causing or making not cooling very well. For the solution for this one, I removed the drain line and I cleaned up, and now it's working fine back again. And also, I recommended to do a tune-up for a refrigerator at least once a year to getting smooth and good condition for working. Thank you. Bye.